Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share something personal with you. My story. It's a story about my family, about my daily life, and about how I practice English every single day. This is more than just a story. It's a story about learning, about showing up for yourself, and about how small, simple steps can truly change your future. So sit back, relax, and listen carefully to the end. I live in a small town. Our home is simple, but it is so full of love. My family is small, just 3 of us, my father, my mother, and me. We are not rich, but we are very happy. My father is a hard-working man. Every morning he wakes up early, before the sun rises, and goes to work. He works in an office, helping many people. Even when he comes home tired, he never complains. He just smiles and says, "Remember, hard work always brings success." My mother is kind and loving. She takes care of our home, cooks delicious food every day, and helps me with my homework. Whenever I feel sad or stuck, she hugs me gently and says, "Don't worry, my son. Try again. You will do better." Her words, they give me courage. My parents always tell me to study well. They say, "Education is your power. It will change your life." I listen to their advice. Every word. I want to make them proud one day. I study at a school in my town. It's not very big, but it's very nice. The classrooms are clean, there's a playground where we play football and cricket, and there's a library. I love spending time there, surrounded by books. My teachers are wonderful. They explain lessons slowly and patiently. They never get angry when we make mistakes. They just encourage us. And my favorite subject? It's English. I love English because it connects me to the whole world. My English teacher is my favorite. He is so kind and friendly. He always says, "English is not difficult. You just need practice every single day." He gives us small, simple tasks. Write 5 sentences daily, he says. Speak in English with your friends. Read 1 page from a book. So I try. At school, I speak English with my friends. Sometimes we laugh when we make mistakes, but our teacher smiles and says, "Mistakes are the best teachers. Don't stop. Keep going." After school, I come home, wash my hands, and my mother serves me lunch. Then I rest a little before sitting at my study table. I finish my homework for all subjects first, and then it's time for my English practice. First, I read a short story in English. Then I write down 5 new words and use each in a sentence. I read those sentences out loud. It helps my speaking so much. Sometimes I watch English cartoons or short videos. I listen carefully to how they speak and try to copy them. It's fun, and I learn fast. At night, my father sits with me. He asks me to tell me a story in English. I speak slowly, carefully. Sometimes I forget a word, but my father just smiles and says, "Don't worry, you are doing great. Just keep practicing." Every Sunday, I make my weekly plan. I write it in English in my notebook. It's simple. Read at least 1 page every day, write 5 new words, make short sentences, speak to myself in English, listen to English audio or videos. This plan helps me stay focused. I also write down my goals. My big goal is to speak English fluently. I want to travel to other countries, meet people, and talk with them in English. I want to learn about new cultures, new ideas. Sometimes learning is not easy. Sometimes I feel lazy. Sometimes I feel tired. But then I remember my teacher's words. Practice makes perfect. So even if I feel sleepy, I still read that 1 page. It's a small promise I make to myself. I dream of becoming an English teacher one day. I want to teach children. I want to tell them, "Don't be afraid. Speak slowly. Speak with courage. English is your friend." I also want to write my own English stories and publish them in books. I want people around the world to read my stories and feel happy, feel motivated. Now, my dear friends, I want to tell you something. If I can learn English, you can too. I used to be so shy. I was afraid to speak, but now I try every day. I speak slowly, but I speak clearly. I make mistakes, but I learn from them. So please, don't give up. Read 1 page every day. Write 1 sentence every day. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Watch easy English videos. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Don't feel shy. Don't feel afraid. We all make mistakes. Mistakes are just steps on our path to success. One day, you will speak English with confidence. You will talk to people from different countries, and you will feel so, so happy. I believe in myself, and I believe in you too. We can learn together, we can grow together, we can make our dreams come true. Thank you so, so much for listening to my story about my family, my school, and my English practice. I truly hope it inspires you. Please, keep practicing every day. Keep smiling, keep reading, keep speaking English. I'll see you in my next story. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.